how to divide a peace lily to grow new plants for free. Step 1. Understand how peace lily grows. Peace lily grow from a crown, not from stems or nodes like pothos or rubber plant. The central crown is made up of clumps. Each clump has its own roots and growing point. That is what you need to create a new plant. Leaf cuttings alone can stay green for a while, but they will never produce a new crown. So a leaf cutting or flower cutting will never grow a new plant. Step 2. Prepare the plant. Tap around the pot to loosen the soil and gently slide the plant out. Remove the extra soil from the roots so you can see where the clumps naturally separate. Step 3. Divide the plant. Carefully separate the plant into smaller clumps using your hands or a clean, sharp knife if needed. Each division should have its own roots and at least a few healthy leaves. Yet, don't worry if a few roots break, the plant will recover and regrow quickly. Step 4. Plant in soil. Now prepare a rich, well-draining potting mix. I use compost mixed with river sand or perlite. The compost adds nutrition, while sand or perlite keeps the soil loose and airy. Fill the new pots with soil and plant each division in its own container. Press the soil gently around the roots. Water lightly and place the pot in bright, indirect light. Keep the soil moist, not soggy, and mist the leaves occasionally. In a few weeks, you will notice new leaves growing, a sure sign your propagation has worked. Step 5. Growing peace lily in water. Peace lily can also be grown in water for an attractive, soil-free display. To do this, wash the roots thoroughly to remove all soil and debris. Take a container with a narrow neck that will help support the plant and keep it upright. Fill it with clean, room-temperature water. Use filtered or distilled water if your tap water is high in chlorine or fluoride. Place the division in a glass container, the clump resting on its mouth. Change the water every 7 to 10 days to keep it fresh and prevent root rot. Add a drop of liquid fertilizer once a month to supply nutrients. Keep the plant in a bright spot away from direct sunlight. This peace lily is growing in water for the last 7 years, producing flowers in every season. Step 6. Peace lily, soil versus water. Let us compare growing peace lily in soil versus water. Both methods can work, but they have different benefits. In soil, your peace lily grows faster and stronger because they get nutrients naturally from the soil. You will get more flowers and bigger leaves and long-term, low-maintenance growth. In water, peace lily grows slower but looks beautiful, clean, elegant, and perfect for display on tabletops or offices. Just remember to change the water regularly and feed monthly. For lasting growth, choose soil. For a stylish, decorative touch, grow it in water. Step 7. Why propagation by cuttings doesn't work. You might have seen videos claiming to root peace lily leaf and flower cuttings in water. As there is no crown on a cutting, there is no growing point, so it will never form a new plant. Don't expect a real new plant from a leaf cutting. Step 8. Final tips and care. Once your new divisions are established in soil, care for them like your regular peace lily. Peace lily can encounter several problems, including yellowing of leaves, drooping, brown tips, and lack of flowering. These can be due to watering problems, humidity levels, light exposure, or fertilization. Keep them in a bright, warm spot with indirect light. The plant suffers a lot due to lack of light. They will produce less flowers. In bright light, the plant will grow faster with bigger leaves and lots of bloom of big size. Water when the top inch of soil feels dry. Test it by inserting your finger in soil. You can fertilize lightly once a month during the growing season. If you are growing your peace lily in water, use chemical-free water and change it periodically. Add a few drops of liquid fertilizer in the water once a month. Prune your peace lily time to time to keep it healthy, bushy, and beautiful, producing more blooms in soil or water. To remove dead flower, cut off the stalk as close to the base as possible. To cut peace lily leaves, prune the brown tips. If the whole leaf is damaged, prune the entire leaf at the plant base. And that is how to propagate peace lily the right way, by division, the only proven method that works. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with your plant-loving friends, and subscribe for more easy plant care tips and propagation guides. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening.